Ka-chow!
Crankshaft pulley bolts are torqued to a very high specification. A common method to breaking a crankshaft pulley bolt loose is by using the engine to loosen the bolt. So start by removing the fuel fuse so the engine doesn't accidentally fire. Once you have access to the crankshaft, you're going to put the correct size socket on the end of a long breaker bar. You're going to put the breaker bar up against the frame on the passenger side because the engine rotates clockwise. The concept is that holding the bolt still with the engine rotating clockwise actually removes the bolt by turning it counterclockwise. With the fuel fuse removed, you're going to turn the key to run for a second, then off. You can try this method more than once. If it doesn't work, you can resort to using a vehicle-specific crankshaft pulley bolt holder tool and a breaker bar with a cheater bar on it. It's going to take a lot to get this thing off. Or you can use an impact driver. You may need to remove the radiator for clearance. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe below so we can help other people find this video. I offer automotive education and consulting, so if you need help completing this job, my contact information is in the description below.